Hey guys, in this video I do my own DIY Deva cut, so if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, so right now I have rinsed out all of the bentonite clay mask out of my hair. I will link the video below to show you the process, and I left it in probably longer than usual just because I was doing a whole bunch of things, but I kind of wanted to do something different with my hair now. I've been seeing a lot of girls do the DIY Deva cut. Not so much am I going for the Deva cut per se, but I would like a little bit of layers in my hair, so I'm really not afraid to do that. So what I've done here is, now I did this in the shower just because my hair is very thick, and in order for me to brush it forward, my hair has to be really drenching wet. So I figured the easiest way to do that is just go ahead and do it in the shower. Now if you have the hair type that will allow you to do that not in the shower, then you can just spritz it and brush it forward. But my hair gets very tangly, so it's best for me to just do it in the shower. So I have brushed it all the way forward. I made sure that I got it to the root because you want all the hair to be brushed forward so that you have the exact length. Now, as I was researching this method, make sure you know how much shrinkage your hair has. I know my shrinkage, so I know what I'm going to cut. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So I am just going to re-wet it because I've been walking around with the t-shirt around my head, so I'm just going to kind of make sure it's re-wet. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take one of my barrettes, and as you can see, it's pulled all the way to the front, and I'm going to center it in the middle, wrap my hairband around, okay, so you should have something like this. Now, make sure it's all combed through, and if you get the gist of how this is going to work, you'll know that the hair that is on top, which is right here, you're going to cut wherever you desire, and of course, since it is the longest piece on top, it's going to be the longest, and then those hairs in the front is going to be the shortest, and that's how you're going to get your layers. So as you can see, you know, it's a little bit much, right? So I usually try to cut twice a year, so this may be my second, so I don't know if I cut before the girls came. I don't know if I did or not, but I'm just gonna drench the hair again, comb it through. So my hair grows pretty fast, and I'm going to just cut it where I see fit. Now, I may have had a lot, now I've had my hair flat iron since the girls have come. So yes, I'm sure I've had a lot of breakage and some shedding, some postpartum shedding. So I'm just going to cut a couple of inches now. And make sure you have hair scissors, like I've mentioned in all of my trimming videos. Hair scissors. Do not use regular scissors. Use hair scissors. Okay. And it's good to do a little at a time, and then you can always increase. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to start down here first. Okay. Start down there, and then I'm gonna cut. Okay.